Scientists have discovered 6 massive galaxies colliding and merging into one giant galaxy. At that time, the universe was only 1.5 billion years old, just a small fraction of its current age. Even more exciting, at the center of this cosmic collision is a young supermassive black hole. It's already pulling in huge amounts of material and shooting powerful jets of plasma into space. This rare discovery gives astronomers a front-row seat to one of the biggest mysteries in the universe. How do giant galaxies and the supermassive black holes at their centers grow together? The research was published in 2 peer-reviewed scientific papers by international teams led by scientists from the University of Oxford and ELTE Utrecht University. The galaxy system, known as TGSS J1530 plus 1049, is so far away that its light has traveled for 12 billion years before reaching us. Lead researcher Ayush Saxena said, "We didn't find a single galaxy, but an entire complex of at least 6 galaxies. As these galaxies continue to merge over millions of years, they are expected to form one of the largest galaxies in the universe. Thanks to the James Webb Space Telescope, astronomers are now seeing the early stages of galaxy formation with incredible detail, bringing us closer than ever to understanding how our universe evolved." If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing space discoveries.